Okay, now distribution of water. So what they are trying to tell you that over the globe, it is quite uneven due to a number of factors. As I told you, in every place the amount of water is not equal. Some places are nearby a river or nearby a seaside. So they have a lot of water, they have a good reserve of underground water also. But the places which are far away from such a water, from such water sources, then they have less amount of water. And also where scanty rainfall takes place, they also lack a lot of water. So some places have good amount of rain and they are known as water rich. On the other hand, there are deserts which have scanty rainfall. And India is a vast country and rainfall is not the same everywhere. We have got deserts also and we have got flood affected areas also. So where excessive rainfall takes place, it causes floods, and where there is absence of rainfall, it may result in droughts. So they are telling you, locate on the map the places you live in. Are you blessed with sufficient rainfall? Yes, we are getting adequate rainfall. Is there sufficient water available? Yes, it is. But sometimes during summer we also may get affected. Now water management. So during summer everybody knows we are facing water scarcity. So to manage that, what you can do? You have studied in class 6 about rainwater harvesting. So now they are telling you other factors. When the civic authorities apply water through pipes, not all of them may reach the destination. What happens? You might have seen water supply pipes leaking a lot and water gushing out of the pipes. It is the responsibility of the civic authorities to prevent such wastage of precious water. तो क्या होता है हमारे यहाँ जो फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे जो बदायूं है उसमें there is Nagar Palika, you must have heard of it. So they are responsible for providing water to every house. But many a times what happens, जो इन pipes के through पानी आता है बीच बीच में वो leak करते रहते हैं and that a lot of water is gushing out and it gets wasted. वो ड्रेन्स में जाता है और बर्बाद हो जाता है. सो दिस इज़ मिसमैनेजमेंट. ये उन लोगों की ड्यूटी है कि दे थ्रू, बट उनको इन्फॉर्म करना हमारी ड्यूटी है दैट एट अ सर्टेन प्लेस वाटर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा लीक हो रहा है, वहीं कहीं कहीं पे टैप्स ख़राब है. सो दिस इज़ मिसमैनेजमेंट. मिसमैनेजमेंट ऑफ वेस्टेज में टेक एट इंडिविजुअल लेवल ऑल्सो. हमारे घरों में भी हो सकता है. हाउ? that during brushing you are wasting a lot of water, while shaving, while bathing you are using excessive amount of water which is unnecessary. Leaking taps is another source of huge water wastage. अगर आपके घर में कोई टैप लीक कर रहा है then you should get it fixed immediately. We have seen that most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away. So this is another factor. हमारे घरों में जो बारिश का पानी आता है it is wasted as such. हम लोग उसको कुछ यूज़फुल नहीं, उसको कुछ अपने यूज़ में नहीं लेके आते. The rain water can be used to, although it can be used to recharge the groundwater. How? By rainwater harvesting, as you have studied last year. You can collect them on your rooftops and then connect a pipe through the rooftop to the underground, and the underground water may get recharged by rainwater harvesting. Okay, now another thing is known as Bawris. So we have at many places in India an age-old practice of water storage and water recharge like the Bawris. It is a traditional way of getting water stored. With time, the Bawris fell into disuse and garbage started piling in these reservoirs. But अब क्या है? It is an age-old practice. पहले क्या होता था, बड़ी बड़ी Bawris में होता था रेन वाटर को कलेक्ट करके रखा करते थे. But the practice is getting old and now they are just used for garbage dumping. And however, because of the acute water shortage, people in these areas have had to rethink. और ये स्पेशली होता था राजस्थान वाली एरिया में. बट अब जो है when they are facing a shortage of water, they are using them again and the Bawris are again being revived. Okay, another feature is drip irrigation. It is a very good practice which is followed in regions which are facing water shortage. A farmer using water in the field can also use water economically. जो आपने देखा होगा कि जब फार्मर जो होते हैं फील्ड में इरिगेशन करते हैं, what they do, either they just switch on their tube wells and water is flowing unnecessarily, or they have left their pipes there, but they can do it economically. How? There is a practice called drip irrigation. In this practice, you provide water drop by drop to the root area only, जहाँ पे प्लांट से उसी की रूट में जो है ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप वाटर प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. It is a system of network of pipes where narrow tubes are used to supply the water only to the roots of the plant where it is required. Only there they provide the water. Okay, so this was all about your water harvesting. Now let's move to the another topic. What role you can play? So how you can contribute for water management. Have you ever shown some concern if you saw a tap leaking near your house, school or any other place? Leaking taps waste a lot of water. So what you can do if you are passing by and you see a tap, a leaking tap. So what you can do is you can either inform the authorities, or sometimes a tap is just open, you can just close it. So you have to show your concern also. There are a number of ways by which you can minimize the wastage of water, as they have given you a few examples like turn off the tap while brushing, mop the floor instead of washing. Right? So instead of washing or wasting water, you just need to mop the floor, and you can economically use water by just turning off the tap while brushing or shaving, etc. The last is effect of water on scarcity on plants. How plants are affected by water scarcity. You must have seen potted plants wilting. Wilting मतलब होता है मुरझाना, and ultimately drying up if they did not get water even for a few days. क्या होता है, पानी अगर नहीं मिलता plants को, पहले तो वो मुरझा जाते हैं, they wilt, and then ultimately they dry up or they die. So you have already learnt in chapter 1 that plant needs water to get nutrients from the soil to prepare food, because they need water for photosynthesis. They need water for the production of their food. If they will not get water, they cannot prepare their own food, and that is why they may be lost. The green character of the plant may be lost. This may mean the end of all life for a world without plants. So if they will end up, it will mean no food, no oxygen, no enough rain, and innumerable other problems. Obviously, we are getting food from plants. There would be no oxygen because we are getting oxygen from plants. No rainfall because of transpiration from the plants only. They are playing a major role in formation of clouds. So we may face a lot of other problems. Okay, in the last they have discussed a successful initiative in Rajasthan. The challenge of natural scarcity of water was met by a successful experiment. What happened? A band of social workers had transformed a dry area in the Alwar district of Rajasthan into a green place. And they have revived 5 dried up rivers, Arveri, Rupali and these, by constructing water harvesting structures. So there are several measures also which are going on around the world to revive water, because everyone understands that where there is water there is life. So in the end they have ended with Hamara Jal Hamara Jeevan.